Hey. Hey, good morning. So it's Sunday morning, and what is great to do on a Sunday, gorgeous day, and all of you Seattleites? I think it's time that we go to the Mustang Roundup. This is the 35th annual Mustang Roundup. It's at Bellevue College. I'm going to post the address and flyer for that. We also have the It is so sunny out here already. You gotta wear your sunblock. I think I'm gonna put my shades on right now and come out here on a Sunday and check out the car show. The Mustang Roundup is here today at Bellevue College. Okay, that's just a snippet, but I'm going to be back for some more. I'm going for a sun visor right now. Haha, going to check out the vending. Hey, good morning. Gosh, it's so sunny out here. Where am I? I'm at the Bellevue College for the 2018 Mustang Annual Roundup. It's the All Ford Picnic 2018. And it would not be a car show without an auction. So let's check it out. In fact, we actually have some Steve Saline. I'm going to find that out later, so stay tuned, but let's check it out.
Just put the number of that, all the numbers on that, and then put it in, yeah.
I don't have any of your new players.
Okay, and again, this auction benefits the Benz Fund, which is John Snyder. His son has autism. We're part of FEET, which is Families in Washington, helping those families struggling getting information.